Hi, we're back with our friends at Huckberry, and if you don't know who Huckberry is, they specialize in outdoor gear as well as apparel, and they feature lots of cool brands including Filson, as well as North Face, Patagonia, Wellen, 45, AsTORflex, and one of my favorite brands, Flint and Tinder, which I also picked up the 10-year hoodie from. We picked up a few more things from them, including shorts, shirts, swimwear, and shoes. So let's get to work. I'm a little nervous about the boots because I ordered shoes from Nisolo and I thought it was a size 8 because everything else is a size 8 and they didn't fit. I'm a size 9. But it's weird because my sneakers and stuff are like size 9s, but then one of my sneakers is a size 8, but then my boots are a size 8, and it's just, we're trying to get that figured out. But the point is, we got the shoes, it's a size 8, so fingers crossed they fit. AsTORflex. Which, speaking of, why don't we do the shoes first this time? These are the AsTORflex BitFlex Chelsea boot. All right, it's been a minute since I picked up a pair of Chelsea boots. They're similar to Chelsea boots, but they're not. Is from Abruzzini, the Azul boot. So if you don't know who they are, check it out. It's made by my good friend Nick, and the link is in the description. So these are the BitFlex Chelsea boot in the stone wash in a size 8. That's how they look, guys. Suede. Seems sturdy. Leather tag. I think this one, we could try this one on right now. Although I don't know how I'm gonna show you. Fingers crossed. Perfect. Oh yeah. Bam. So it's my ankle, so there's not too much room. Can fit about 2 fingers. Mind you, I have like really small ankles. I'm a size 8 in boots, and I picked up a size 8, and it fits perfectly. A little bit of room. Oh shoot. All right, I have a little bit of room on the sides. I don't have too much of a narrow foot, but my foot's not wide either. And my toe comes out a little shy, about a little bit less than an inch of room at the front, but it fits really nicely, comfortable. It's not too tight, and I think if I wore thicker socks that it would fit nicely without wiggling too much. Next up is the Flint and Tinder 365 short, 7 inches with the 30 waist. I'm 5'9", 150 pounds. I usually have about a 29 sometimes to 30 to sometimes 31 waist. Cut like a chino, stretches like a performance shirt. Made with 2% spandex for stretch and 98% cotton for softness. You can kind of feel it. Kind of see it. YKK zipper fly. It's got the Flint and Tinder buttons as well as the classic label. Excited to wear this. Actually, it looks a lot bigger than I expected. Then again, I'm a pretty small guy, I think. Next up, swimwear. So this is the Wellen lined swim trunks, 7-inch, solid dusty olive color. Ooh, these are the nicest pair of swimming trunks I've ever owned. What the heck? Premium? I mean, I don't think I've ever used swimming trunks and premium in the same sentence, but this one. So the logo is a patch and it's stitched on at the bottom. Good size pocket. There's the lining on the inside. And these are lined swimming trunks, so boom. There it is. The inside. Got drawstrings with like rubber plastic-y tips. It's a pocket in the back. So it's great for casually wearing, but also if you want to take a dip in the pool or the lake or the ocean. Next up, moving into the shirts. This is the 45 Subpoena Crew t-shirt in the vintage wash graphite. So 45 is known for, they're really comfortable and soft shirts, so we're gonna see if that's true. And this shirt is in a size small. Nice feeling Supima cotton. It's like a good shirt to layer over. 100% USA grown Supima cotton for softness and all day comfort. There's a good length for tucking and untucking. It's garment dyed for additional softness, and Made in LA. If you know me, I'm all about LA, downtown LA. So if you've been following along, you know I'm a huge fan of not only graphic tees, but also oversized, heavy material. So this is the American Heavyweight Pocket T-shirt in black from Flint & Tinder. It's a size medium. Heavyweight for sure. Thick collar. It feels very similar to the 10-year pullover hoodie from Flint & Tinder that I have. I can wear them together when it gets colder, Stitching's really nicely done on the pocket. It's made from premium heavyweight 8.55 ounce cotton. Garment dyed and washed for a subtly faded, lived-in look. Could kind of see that. The rib collar has a hint of spandex to keep its shape without stretching. You can see right there. And last but not least, the bone button western shirt in the natural seeded white denim, size small. If you don't know, I'm also a fan of denim shirts. As you can see, I'm wearing one from Twillery. I had one other denim shirt before this, which got stolen. Someone broke into my car and stole it. But that's besides the point. We're here now, and we got another one. And this time, it's not in the classic blue. It's a lighter color, so I'm excited to try this one because it's something new. And I'm excited to layer this over t-shirts. And I don't know if I'm going to wear this by itself, but we'll see. Nice. Oh, the buttons are really nice. So this shirt has an authentic Western style with snap buttons and point design on pockets and yokes. So there's a snap button. Right there. Snap buttons. Burnt cowbone snaps. What? Each snap has its own unique burn marks. It does. They're all different. All these. Wow. Yep, they're all different. It's cut from 100% cotton fabric, dual chest pockets with single point design and snap closure, durable stitching throughout. It combines iconic Western frontier design with the best damn manufacturing this side of the Mississippi. Alright. Well, let's try everything on. Alright. Hope it's not too bright. Kind of shield myself like that. Fits nicely, size small. Feels good. Quality's there. It's actually really soft on my skin. And I could definitely open it up and layer over it. Am I gonna do that right now? No, because I'm not wearing a shirt. But I can when I put on the 45 shirt. And you could definitely feel the quality on this shirt. Alright, so this is the 45 Supima cotton shirt, size small. Again, I'm 5'9", 150 pounds, and it fits really nicely. There's enough room to where it's not tight on my body. There we go. It comes down just like that. It fits nicely, feels good, soft. Yes, sir, and this is what it looks like layered with a Flint & Tinder denim shirt. What do you think? Good. Here's the pocket tee. Alright, medium fits nicely. There's a lot less room right here than I thought. It's kind of higher up the sleeve, but I mean, it's like it just made it. It's not too tight. Again, this is a medium. This is my hip bone here. This is how low it goes down. Shirt, you could really feel that heavy weight. The sleeve starts right here. I like it. Feels very premium. Next, Wellen swim trunks. Size small. About 2 inches above my knees. I'm 5'9". Here's the lining. The pocket. Really comfortable. Good. The Flint & Tinder shorts. Got a size 30 waist, 7-inch, 1.5 to 2 inches above my knees. The buttons also, it's not a snap button. Doesn't restrict mobility. Feels good. Well, that's it for Huckberry. Lots of cool stuff. If you're interested in any of these brands, check them out. Definitely worth it. I mean, just the quality of all of them, it's just, it's up there. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll link them down below in the description. And if you want to see more Huckberry, I did an unboxing for this Filson hat, as well as the Flint and Tinder 10-year pullover hoodie and a fisherman sweater from Peregrine. So check that out. The link is also going to be in the description, as well as the corner of this video. Thank you, Huckberry. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.